the best way we can help anybody right now is with our positive attitude, with our positive vibes, and with our energy. This is exactly what I'm talking about in this video today. Before we get started, hit the bell icon, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps so much. So here's why this is so important. I have so many clients right now, and not everybody I get can donate financially. Like, the reason why I wanted to be rich was so I could help other people who were in need. Right now, what's happening after all this freaking mental stuff is like there's going to be a bigger gap. And I'm like, well, I will be able to help people in need. That's fucking awesome. I'm so proud of this abundance. I'm so proud of the money that we make because we get to help people. I've never been able to serve greater, more powerfully on this level, on this impact as I have now. Now, when I didn't have the option to donate financially because that wasn't in order, when I couldn't do that, and this is what I still do today, I donated my time and my energy. So we cannot help lift up anybody with the negative energy, with a negative attitude, with negative energy, or while we're complaining. So my intention for this video is, we know that energy is everything. We know that our energy introduces us before we walk in a room, and it is not inspiring or empowering to sit in your house and feel super sorry for yourself. I mean, for fuck's sake, what always snaps me right back to reality is like, I don't feel sorry for myself. Like, that's not an option because there are people out there with real problems. There are plenty of people out there for real problems. Like, holy shit, how can we sit back and be like, oh, this is like so hard, and like, why is this person mean to me, and like, look at this Instagram, when there's actually human beings with real problems. And this is one of my solutions way before the virus. When I have a woman who comes in and she's super selfish and it's all about her and like, oh, well, I don't believe that I'm good enough and it's so hard for me. I'm like, okay, go be around somebody with real problems because that snaps you right back into reality. And that feeling of like, oh my God, I have a roof over my head, because some people do not have that right now. I have food in my refrigerator because some people do not have that right now. And I have a beautiful warm sweatshirt, warm snuggly slippers. That is fucking awesome. That is amazing. And I'm not saying that like we should ignore problems or like, oh, don't feel. Like, dude, you know that when I cry, I feel, I pray. I have so many ways that I process emotions and connect to the universe, but I've been feeling emotion since I started coaching. The same way that I processed all of this energy and fear around me from the virus, I used my same tools when I had a client whose dad raped her 4-year-old daughter. It's no different. It's not like, oh, this is different. It's not different. It's a soul. It's love. We're human beings. We have a higher power. And the way that we get to help right now is by sharing our positive energy and our positive vibes. I am sharing more free content than I've ever shared. These YouTube videos I'm doing for free because I have so much energy and abundance. And I know that if you feel seen and you feel heard, and if I give you tools that you can use right now to drop in and get stronger, goosebumps, and focus on what you can do. And like, shit, Lani's just a real person. She did this. She's not perfect. Like, she doesn't get everything. It's not like everybody loves me and I get all of these, golden stars from society. Like, oh, Lani's amazing. It's like, I know that my one job is to share love. I know that energy, I got it. Energy is my thing. I can always share energy. I can always be a cheerleader. I can always focus on the positive. I can always stop that. We're not going to complain about what we can't control. So the greatest gift that we have right now, if you're not able to financially donate or help others, is your vibe. It's like what you're doing in your living room or in your bedroom by yourself when no one is looking. If you're all up in your head and just negative or going on your phone and just being this negative fucking ball, like, that is literally hurting the people who have real problems, the ones who've lost their jobs and their homes. And that is so freaking selfish. So why don't we shift that? Why don't we be like, dang, Lani's given a free meditation, or I can do a million free meditations. Like, I can start by not going on my phone. That's like all these great examples that I've done. But when you're sitting in your room, this is what I tell all of my clients. I don't win because like, oh, look at this YouTube video, got all these views, or like, look, I have thousands and thousands of followers on Instagram. It's not when people are looking at me that's my huge win and like, oh, I'm so awesome. It is in the freaking mornings, all day, every day, when I'm in my heart center, when I'm choosing a good vibe, when I'm open and vulnerable, when I'm forgiving, when I have compassion. It is what I do behind closed doors when nobody is looking. That's the reason why I can go to bed at night and be so fucking proud of myself with so much energy and so much purpose. And I'm like, yes, I'm making an impact. I'm living the life I was meant to live. I'm so proud of myself. No regrets. Like, yes, I did this. It's not when people are looking at me for this one glorious moment. It is the little things, my little rituals, my intention, and my vibe all freaking day, every day. Those are my biggest wins. So if we want to help out, the best thing we could do is not get swallowed by the fear, not get swallowed into the darkness. Do not read shit that has a negative effect on you. Don't get around negative people and circles and negative things. Take care of yourself, meet your basic needs like meditating, connecting to your higher power, drinking enough water, working out, reading, like not getting swallowed by the fear. It's like, dude, no, this is not the time for you to be on Netflix 8 hours a day. Like, dear God, every single day I am pushing myself out of my comfort zone. I am getting my willpower muscle stronger, and I am freaking sharing good vibes. I'm sharing love. And I am sharing so much free content. I'm doing like a free healing meditation at the beginning of my workshops, which I've never done before. It takes way more energy for me to do this. I'm doing way more like free calls than I've ever done before, because this is how I help. I can't go around and save everybody in the world, but I sure can inspire women and help them to know that we can focus on the positive. We can choose to be in a good energy, and we cannot help anybody if we can't even take care of our own temple. If we're all freaking negative and we're all grumpy and we're all like worst case scenario, or if we're just doing shit like going on our phones all day. So I like to know in the comments, how are you going to connect and share this good vibe? And this isn't going and getting attention on Instagram. This is what you're doing in your own home, in your own temple, by yourself, when nobody is looking. Maybe it's praying, maybe it's dancing, maybe it's journaling, maybe it's sending a message to a family member that you were holding a stupid grudge against. It's not about this huge, oh, I need to like, win the Nobel Peace Prize. It's like, dude, we get to win in the present moment. All we have is now. So what amazing, good vibe, badass, energetic thing are you going to do right now that is going to inspire and lift every single human up in the entire world, that is going to support Mother Earth in healing, and that's going to lift the vibrations? Because yeah, absolutely. It doesn't matter. Why does it matter if I'm negative? Can you imagine if everyone in the world said that? And can you imagine if everybody in the world shifted and we came into this like positive energy all together? Holy shit. It's never been more needed than now. So if you want to serve, now is the time. Dig deep, look past your ego. Be grateful for what you have. Go read about people with real fucking problems and choose to be in this good vibe. I'm doing another healing workshop. So amazing. Like I said, this is, we get to donate money and time, and my meditations are one of the ways that I get to share this love and this energy with you. It will really change your life. I'm so, so excited to share. All the details are in the description below, so click that and sign up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. I have some epic other videos, so check those out. Those will get you for sure into your positive, good vibes. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you soon.